Good morning, students. Welcome to your English OP class. Dear kids, today we will read Unit 14 Bad Beef. Unit 14 Bad Beef. Lesson 1 It isn't me. It isn't me. Paragraph number 1 is Fiza has a teddy bear. ये किड्स हम लोग ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पैराग्राफ जो है वो रीड कर चुके हैं. लेट्स रिवाइज. Fiza has a teddy bear. Her bear's name is Biff. Her bear's name is Biff. She is Fiza and it's Biff. Fiza likes Biff, but Biff is not a good bear. But Biff is not a good bear. Paragraph number 2 is, oh no, he is drawing in Daddy's book. He is drawing in Daddy's book. Biff is a bad teddy bear. Biff is a bad teddy bear. He draws in Daddy's book. Biff जो है वो बैड टेडी बियर है बिकॉज वो डैडीज़ की बुक में जो है वो ड्राइंग कर रहा है. पैराग्राफ नंबर 3 इज़, ओह लुक, ही इज़ किकिंग द बॉल. ही इज़ किकिंग द बॉल. बिफ किक्स द बॉल इन द सिटिंग रूम. बिफ किक्स द बॉल इन द सिटिंग रूम. Oh dear, he is eating Sarah's socks. He is eating Sarah's socks. Biff is eating Sarah's socks. Biff जो है वो सारा के सॉक्स को क्या कर रहा है? ईट कर रहा है. Biff is eating Sarah's socks. Biff eats Sarah's socks. Now they are very dirty. Now they are very dirty. Paragraph number 5 is, Biff eats Ali's cake. Biff eats Ali's cake. That's good, he says. That's good, he says. And here's the paragraph number 6. Oh dear, he is wearing mummy's necklace. Oh dear, he is wearing mummy's necklace. Biff is wearing mummy's necklace. Look here, here's the necklace. He wears mummy's necklace. He wears mummy's necklace. Now kids, it's your turn to read book page number 70 and also write paragraph number 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th on your English copy. Allah Hafiz.